Hi guys, how is it going today? It is Anthea here, and today I will be doing a video all about how to fade or remove acne scars, and it will also help with hyperpigmentation and all the other dark spots in your face. If this is your first time on my channel is all about simple skincare routines and simple tips on how to do your own makeup and hair. Please keep coming back because I'm so excited to have you, and I post a new video every Friday. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by tapping that little bell on the right so you'll be the first to know every time I post new content. Today's major ingredient is potato. I am going to show you how to make and use a very simple mask that is going to fade all your acne scars and the other dark spots on your face. And it may also help prevent further breakouts. There are two ways you can apply this mask, and the first one is make very thin slices of the potato, like this, very thin, and add to it juice of half a lemon. Just going to squeeze it into here. Basically, squeeze lemon juice onto the slices that you just made. Lay down facing upwards and place the potato slices onto your face, otherwise they're going to slip off if you don't face upwards. And then give them 20 to 30 minutes, that is sufficient. Then remove them and wipe your face with a clean wet towel. My favorite method for applying this mask is to puree the potato using a handheld blender, or grate the potato if I don't have one, and then I add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the potato puree, and then I am using a brush, I apply it onto my face. This can get messy, so I advise that you do it over a sink. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes, it will dry up a bit. My mask is dry now, it has been on for about 30 minutes. It's not completely dry, but it's been about 30 minutes, so I am going to wipe it off with a wet towel. Well guys, that is it for today. I hope you find this mask as useful as I did, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, share, and see you next Friday.
Give me some cookies. Give me some this. Rub my feet. I said this.